Hi, welcome to my thesis. My name is Yang. New technologies of construction are often related to new spatial typologies of buildings. This thesis proposes a new typology for high-rise building based on spatial 3D printing and robotic construction. We may observe across the history of architecture a number of attitudes towards the relationship of tectonic material systems to the architectural form. There are those who have argued, when you want to give something presence, you have to consult nature, while others would consult only their experience and what they have seen. Where an essentialist would ask, what do you want, brick? An imagist would assert, brick, do what I want. For the conventional way of design, we visualize the physical rules and rationalize their relationship to the related images to arrive at a complete logic. The physical rules are mainly related to material mechanics. The simpler the rules are, the more efficient could a designer develop the design. But the form is also restricted by the rules. The innovation of materials and construction techniques are changing the rules of game for architects. The configuration of structural elements define the spatial system and quality, but the configuration of architecture is not necessarily bounded with structural elements. When materials were expensive, a design is closely defined by the effective use of materials. The system behind massive production is all about efficiency. But we're always looking for something more than orthogonal system. We're looking for the local difference, the variety, the spectacle, the monument of life. Now we're at the time materials are cheaper and cheaper. The cost of labor is rising. Robotic construction seems to be a solution for replicated work. At the same time, it raises the opportunity for changes. Spatial 3D printing allows separation between the configurations of structure and the space by creating a 3D lattice system that can be engineered based on the load path and the spatial configuration. The local differentiation of building components breaks the orthogonal structural system into contiguous fragments. And our city is never a continuous and humdrum place. Why should it be vertically? A new typology of mixed-use high-rise building is proposed here. As a vertical system, it is divided into multiple stacked blocks. Different from traditional high-rise buildings, the rental space is divided into blocks with different form languages, which are more related to customized decision of tenants. The relationship between tenants are not restricted to the vertical circulation course. Each transfer slab defines a new ground for occupancy. The structural elements are defining the spaces for different programs. It is about form. It is also formless. The basic idea is to establish a fundamental support structure and encourage occupants to fill in the spaces as an unpredictable collage of choice, chance, and change.